Hello guys, welcome back. Wait a second, why is everything in black and white? Let me fix this. Well, that effect was cool and all, but what if I tell you that you can make any black and white photo into a colorful one without all the Photoshop chaos? Yes, you heard me right. You don't need to sweat blood to colorize an old black and white family photo in Photoshop when you can use simple AI powered tools to do the same. So let's get started. We will be using a tool called Palette to turn black and white photos into colored ones. This tool requires no sign up whatsoever. Click the first link in the description to open the page. You will be prompted to upload an image. I will use this black and white photo of a periwinkle. Once you have uploaded the image, the processing will start. You can see that the photo is now colorized. Now, this is the default color tone given by the AI. You can try out different color effects by choosing other presets from the top bar. I'll choose this one called Lavender Dusk. As you can see, we have a new color effect applied. If you want greater control over the output, you can guide the AI colorizer by editing a text prompt. When you hover over a picture, you can see that the AI identifies this picture as a stock photo of the following. Click on the pencil icon to add or remove details. Let's say I want a deeper violet shade on the flower and the leaves to be highlighted a little more. I'll type out the same in the prompt box. You can see that we have a better output than before. It takes a little fiddling before you arrive at your desired result. Once you are satisfied with the color of your image, click on the download button at the bottom. Let's check the PNG file. It is looking satisfactory, but if you want a HD version of the same, you can create an account to attain one free credit. To do so, go to the home page and click on Login. You can sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, you can download the HD image. This is how it looked earlier and this is how it looks now. Similarly, you can colorize almost any black and white image you want. With a free account, you can download only one HD image, but if you want multiple HD images, then just click on the pricing plans. You can select the plan as per your choice. So that is it for today guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, my name is Setu, you are watching Setu's Techno, and I hope you guys have a fantabulous day ahead. Peace.